Next this week, we're turning to our Android Basics section. And this week, it's all about web browsers and web views. Increasingly, people are using their phones to undertake activity that used to be done predominantly on computers. That's been the case for several years now, but it shows no sign of changing. And obviously, one of the key activities that people want to perform on computers and by extension on their phones is surfing the internet. So we thought we should cover what that experience is like on Android and what apps you might want to try out when you're looking to find the best internet browser for you. We should first, though, I think, touch on web views, which are an integral component of this experience on Android. And I guess we should probably start with the basics, Warren, shouldn't we? What is a web view?
It's very important that we talk about web views, and we throw these terms around, or people hear this, web view. What in the world is a web view? Now, the web view actually is a system component for the Android operating system, and that allows Android apps to kind of display content from the web directly within the app, and that's what the web views are. So you are not getting out of that app in order to enjoy what that app has if it has some web component to it. It used to be that this has to be updated whenever the system OS is updated. And as of Lollipop, and so going back to the history now, as of Lollipop, Google decoupled that. So it means that you can independently update a web view on its own without needing to wait until we have an OS update. Because prior to Lollipop, the web views come with the OS. But so with them being separated now to where they can independently be updated, one can always update it whenever there's an update to it. Now, there are 4 different channels of the web views. We have the regular web views, then we have the beta channel, we have the Canary channel, and we have the developer channel. And so if you're having a problem with some of your apps or something is not behaving right, an email client is not behaving right, or browsing the internet is not behaving well, since all of these things depend on that web view, you want to try to change different web views. You could go to the Play Store and install a different one, maybe the WebView Beta, or you could install the Canary version or install the developer preview. So in this way, you'd be able to find out as to which one works better for you. And that's what web views are. They're a very critical component of the Android operating system that make our apps work.
And are these different channels, beta, Canary, developer, are they searchable as regular Play Store apps, or do you have to register for the beta or Canary channels?
These are freely available on the Play Store, and anyone can download them. And then, like I said, when you download them, then you can change which one you want to use if you're having trouble with one. And that's the good thing about these web views. And I strongly suggest, most especially to people who are having some problems with their phone when browsing or something of that, try a different web view and see if that makes a difference in the behavior that you're observing.
Brilliant. That sounds good.